Montego Bay has a new park, Harmony Beach Park, the new and improved Dump Up Beach. By the way, I hate that name because even though I understand why it's called Dump Up Beach, because it's reclaimed land, as in them dump up the beach to create this land space, I still hate the name because people would always throw their garbage in this area, effectively turning it into an actual dump. I remember in 2015, after an international coastal cleanup day in September, I visited the beach in November, and this is what I saw. It was so depressing. But fast forward to 2021, and we now have Harmony Beach Park. It warms my heart to see Dump Up Beach like this. Now, that being said, today I wanted to share with you some information about Montego Bay's first park. Old Hospital Park, Montego Bay's first park. It's located on the Jamaica Cliff Boulevard overlooking the Caribbean Sea. It's just before you get to Margaritaville. It got its name because in the past there was actually a hospital located on the grounds of this park. In a previous video, I told you that I was doing research for a video. Well, this is the video I was talking about. I tried to get information from various sources but was unable to. I really wanted a picture to show you what it looked like in the past. I did, however, find an article that made reference to the hospital. The article you look from a Bay waterfront, published in the Jamaica Daily News on January 1st, 1977, reads, "The Montego Bay waterfront is taking on a new beautiful look. Landscaping of the beach area is well advanced. A public park is being created at the site of the St. James General Hospital." And the article goes on. We at least got the name of the hospital that was located here, St. James General Hospital. The park has a number of gazebos and lawn space to lounge on. There is also a restroom on the property. The fact that the free beach is close by if you decide to cool off from the heat is just wonderful. Now, the park is closed, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to go onto the property, but you can take a look from the outside. Okay, thank you very much for watching my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.